Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, your trusted place for honest and powerful bike reviews. Today, we take a closer look at one of India's and Pakistan's most iconic commuters, the Bajaj Pulsar 150. Design and road presence. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 stands out with its muscular tank, sharp decals and classic Pulsar stance. Its sporty yet practical design makes it equally appealing to young riders and daily commuters. The signature wolf-eye headlamp and alloy wheels add a bold touch that has kept the Pulsar design timeless for years. Engine performance. Powered by a 149.5 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the Pulsar 150 delivers a strong mid-range punch ideal for city rides. Its smooth power delivery, responsive throttle and DTSI technology ensure efficient combustion and reliable performance. Whether in traffic or on open stretches, it maintains a balanced blend of power and refinement. Ride and handling. The bike offers a comfortable upright riding posture, supported by a well-padded seat and stable suspension setup. The front telescopic forks and rear twin gas-charged shocks provide a plush ride even on rough city roads. Its handling feels confident, making cornering and sudden maneuvers easy for daily use. Mileage and practicality. With fuel efficiency around 45 to 55 km/L depending on riding conditions, the Pulsar 150 continues to be a favorite among budget-focused commuters. Low maintenance costs and wide service availability further boost its practicality, making it a dependable option for long-term ownership. Features and braking. The bike comes equipped with a semi-digital console, backlit switches and single-channel ABS for improved safety. The combination of front disc and rear drum brakes delivers controlled stopping power for both city and highway rides. Conclusion. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 remains a legendary street bike with unmatched popularity due to its strong performance, sporty design and everyday usability. For riders seeking